This is a renter-friendly or very easy if you don't want to mess with tools upgrade that actually makes a difference. Now you might be asking yourself, why do we have two of these stacked in the same shower? Well, when we put the first one up, we didn't really factor in that our toddler couldn't reach it and he is obsessed with holding the handheld shower. So now we have one at his height, and honestly, it just makes bath time so much easier. But the real reason I keep ordering these, this is literally my fourth time buying them, is that we have one in our bathroom, we have them in our old house, and they just work. They stick, they stay, they do not fall off, and there's no drilling, no damage, and you can adjust the angle super easily.